Is that though I know a lot of people's attitude toward the Schiavo case and other matters is affected by their faith and their sense of what religion tells them about morality, ultimately, as members of Congress, as judges, as members of the Florida state legislature, this is a matter of law. And the law exists to express our values. The law, I've been saying this in speeches to students about why getting involved in government is so important. I always say the law is where we define the beginning of life and the end of life, and that's exactly what was going on here. And I think as a matter of law, if you go particularly to the 14th Amendment, can't be denied due process, have your life or liberty taken without due process of law, that though Congress's involvement here was awkward, unconventional, it was justified to give this woman, more than her parents or husband, the opportunity for one more chance before her life was terminated by an act which was sanctioned by a court, by the state. These are very difficult decisions, but, and of course if you asked me what I would do if I was the Florida legislature, any state legislature, I'd say that if somebody doesn't have a living will and the next of kin disagree on whether the person should be kept alive, or that is whether food and water should be taken away and her life ended, that really the benefit of the doubt ought to be given a life, and the family member who wants to sustain her life ought to have that right, because the judge really doesn't know, though he heard the facts, one judge, what Terri Schiavo wanted. He made a best guess based on the evidence before him. That's not enough when you're talking about aggressively removing food and water to end someone's life.
You would have kept the tube in?
I would have kept the tube in.
Father Drummond,